Were dangerous in their own right, but maybe in doing so, we would isolate them lodged in a way that made it harder for him to be. It's very precise.
What I've seen, because we were seeing it in real time. Nobody's going to begin to capture.
It's so